ordered some hair for my very first sew-in ever. I ordered some hair from AliExpress.com or AliExpress, however you say it. And I ordered it Saturday night at, I'm almost positive it was Saturday night. It was Saturday night at 7 something at night, right? Okay. So, today is Tuesday, and I just got the hair like 10 minutes ago, and it is maybe like 20 minutes ago. It is 4:21 p.m. I just got the hair. So, this is the unboxing. I have never ordered any weave before. I've always bought beauty supply hair, so I'm really excited. I paid $95 for 3 bundles. I'm excited and nervous. And this hair better be everything that they said it was. Like I said, it came in this DHL Express bag. You know, the little information and stuff on it. And I'm going to show y'all my address. So I'm going to open it. Y'all finna see. Okay. First of all, this bag smells like some old catfish. Here is the 12-inch of Brazilian Body Wave. It feels kind of soft. Okay. It's really full. I don't know if y'all can see that real good. Let me pick up the phone. It's really full. Brazilian Body Wave. I expected it to be a little more wavier than that. That one fell out of the bag, but this is the bag that it came in. It's like a little plastic bag. This one is 14. And this one is 16. The weave does not stink. It says you can dye it. It's my baby doll hair. It says that you can dye it. It's Remy. You can dye it. You can flat iron it. Supposedly you wet it and it jumps right back to this thing. Real quick, so I just washed the hair with Flawless Curls conditioner and this bottle of water, and I'll rake that through, detangling with my Denman brush. This is all of the shedding that I got out of 3 bundles. So, very minimal shedding. I probably won't seal my wefts. Hey y'all, I'm coming at you looking a hot crazy mess because I washed my hair and let it air dry, and then I just brushed it out with some, I sprayed some water and coconut oil in my scalp, and I brushed my hair with my Denman brush. So it looks like it's blow dried and mostly straight. Like you can feel some texture to it, but I brushed all of my curls completely out. And I stretched my hair in the pineapple last night to let it stretch and just kind of be straight. But yeah, so my hair is very, very moisturized. My scalp is clean and moisturized. And I prepped for my sew-in tomorrow. So I'm going to get it in the morning. And y'all will come along. I don't think that I can record because I'm getting it done at a cosmetology school. And I don't think they're going to allow me to record. So if I can't, you guys won't see me actually getting it done. But I will update you. Okay. This is the final product. When I tell y'all that I went from hot mess in distress to I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I did. Because this girl had my hair looking a whole hot mess. It took about 3 hours. And then I had to go and get it redone literally the next hour by somebody else. Because she, like, jacked me up. It wasn't as bad as, like, a jacked up job, but it was bad. I'm going to show y'all the pictures. All I got to say is don't go get your hair done. That's gonna be a whole nother rant. But don't go to nobody's career center, nobody's beauty school, and get your hair done.